Hello students, welcome. And in this video we will discuss the follow-ups for describe something you own that you want to replace. There are many times where we have a product that we want to replace. Okay. So the first question is, why do people replace things? In my opinion, people replace things due to a variety of reasons. These include limited product lifespan, which means the life of the product, okay, wear and tear, and expiration dates. Some products have expiration dates also, so you have to replace them. Okay, for example, pharmaceutical products have an expiration date. Products can also get damaged or malfunction, requiring replacement. Products malfunction, they stop working. Additionally, people's needs and preferences may change over time, prompting them to replace existing items. You see a new product and you want to replace your old product with the new product. Okay, iPhone 15 will be replaced by iPhone 16. Okay, and so forth. The second question is, what are the commonly replaced products in India? Some commonly replaced products in India include mobile, cars, and consumer electronics such as TVs, laptops, and audio equipment. Also, home appliances like refrigerators, ACs, and washing machines also have to be replaced periodically. Okay. The third question is, has consumerism led to waste generation? What is waste generation? Meaning that we are replacing products way too fast. We see a new product, we want to replace our old product with the new product, even though the old product is working well. Okay, people want to buy the new glitzy stuff, the new and shiny thing. Yes, consumerism has led to significant waste generation worldwide, including India. Shorter product life cycles and frequent replacements lead to more waste from discarded items. Non-repairable products end up as e-waste. The mindset of using and disposing products contribute to a throwaway culture, and lack of efficient recycling and waste management system exacerbates the problem. Okay, exacerbates, increases the problem. Fourth and the last question is consumerism related to needs of people or wants of people? What is consumerism? Consumerism is consumption of goods. Okay, you're buying a product, we are consumers of that product. Okay, consumerism is related to both the needs and wants of people. A part of consumption is driven by genuine need like food, water, shelter. Food, water, and shelter are basic needs, so we want them. We cannot survive without them, which are essential. However, a major part of modern consumerism is driven by created wants. Created wants meaning that we see something on Instagram and we want to purchase that. And perceived needs fueled by marketing and social influences which play on human psychology. So this was the follow-ups for describe something you own that you want to replace. I hope you enjoyed this video. Thank you, and I will see you in the next one. Bye. So if you like this video, please make sure to hit the like and subscribe button